Hey there, travelers. Look, quick heads up. When you fly, any electronic device with a lithium battery is a potential hazard if not packed properly.
I said one at a time, please.
Can I go there, please?
She vibrates.
Careful, don't.
Okay, listen up. Here are the rules. I get it. You're excited for your trip, but pack light. Only bring the devices and batteries you really need.
If a device is hot, smoking or damaged, tell the crew immediately.
Look, I fly. That's kind of my whole thing. But with bigger batteries, I can't board without airline approval.
Thank you. You may board now.
I'm cleared for takeoff? Yay! Let's fly!
Always, always keep electronic devices in your hand baggage.
Not the hole!
And if your bag gets checked in at the gate, remove all devices first.
If you've got spare batteries, cover the terminals with tape or use the original packaging.
Different airlines, different rules. So please, always remember to check.
If batteries could talk, they'd tell you how to pack smart and fly safe. Always check with your airline before you fly.